MiT Coach, MIT Coach, Multi-Instrument Technology Coaching System, the future of coaching using multiple automated psychology-based tools that use extensive research that spans over 60 years of coaching experience and turned into an artificial intelligence coaching system that generates questions, strategies, and leverages on client environments in order to improve results and multiply your business at the same time. The multifaceted system allows you to reduce coaching time by up to 80% and successfully achieve visible results with group coaching, making it irresistible for organizations and individuals because you can offer it at an extremely cost-effective price while showing personalized visible results for each individual. To learn more about the MIT coaching system and how you can have a competitive advantage in the new normal as a next-generation coach trainer, join Alex Karpov and Arthur Karmazzi, founders of the MIT system, for a free webinar. Click the link below.